Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi Q3's engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. First, always ensure your engine is cool and completely off for safety. You'll need a new air filter and a T25 torque screwdriver. The air filter housing is typically found under the hood, often a large black box on the passenger side. Now, let's access the filter. Use your T25 torque screwdriver to loosen the 8 screws holding the air filter cover in place. These screws usually stay attached to the lid. You might also need to carefully disconnect 1 or 2 hoses, such as the crankcase breather hose, from the housing. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the cover to expose the old filter element. With the housing open, you can now remove the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to thoroughly clean out any accumulated leaves, dust, or other debris from inside the air filter box using a microfiber towel. Then, carefully place your brand new air filter into the housing. Ensure it sits snugly and is oriented correctly, often indicated by an arrow, for optimal airflow. Almost done, carefully place the air filter housing cover back into position, ensuring a tight seal all around. Retighten all 8 T25 torque screws, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as the housing is plastic. Don't forget to securely reconnect any hoses you detached earlier. Finally, close your Audi Q3's hood and start the engine to confirm everything is working smoothly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.